Are you in need of a temporary vehicle? Maybe you prefer to try out a new model before you buy. Do you need a larger vehicle for a vacation or road trip? Sunnyside Toyota Rent-a-Car helps you go places. Sunnyside Toyota Rent-a-Car is conveniently located in the building between Sunnyside Toyota and Toys R Us at 27,000 Lorraine Road. We are open Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. The process is simple and quick. All you need is a valid driver's license, auto insurance, and a credit card, and you'll be set up with your new favorite ride. Going on vacation but don't have the right vehicle? We have cars and minivans available for all your travel needs. We also have special rates for 7 to 10-day rentals. The Try Before You Buy program is a great way to have an extended test drive with a vehicle before you decide to purchase it. Test out the vehicle for as long as you'd like and see if it fits your lifestyle needs. And weekend excursions have never been more exciting and affordable, with rates as low as $14.99 per day. Whether it's for business, leisure, collision, or service, Sunnyside Toyota Rent-a-Car helps you go places. So come visit us at 27,000 Lorraine Road in North Olmsted, or check out your next rental vehicle online at sunnysidetoyota.com.